Hello friends, welcome to another video from Comtech Systems. Yielding to popular demands and suggestions that we have had from our customers, Comtech Systems has decided to air some of the previously released videos in English as well. Therefore, this video is the remake of our very first video, which involves the introduction of our company Comtech Systems and basically what we do. So for all the first timers here, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you shall be notified promptly. My name is Sri Lakshmi Chandran and I am the Assistant Pre-Sales Manager of Comtech Systems. Comtech Systems is an IT infrastructure solutions integrator and provider, and we have been in this field for the past 18 years. Initially, we started out in the year 2002 with customer support and field service centering Alappuzha, and so our head office is in Alappuzha. Eventually, as the company grew, we included sales as well into the list and opened a regional branch in Cochin. At present, the services we provide can be categorized as follows. Enterprise and mobility solutions. This list includes sales of desktops, laptops, workstations, printers, scanners, tablets, and so on. Network solutions and the monitoring and management of the same. This includes the sales of servers, storage, switches, access point and other networking solutions, as well as the accessories sales, which includes UPS, racks, and so on. We also help provide effective management and monitoring of these units as well. IT services and AMC. With reference to the above mentioned solutions, which includes enterprise, mobility and networking solutions, we have a team of technical experts who are working constantly to help you assist when it comes to issues that you face while using the same. We also undertake the AMC or the annual maintenance contract of these units as well. Nextly, IT consultation and customer support. In this section, we deal with the IT auditing of an organization's technical infrastructure, policies and operations. Here we do vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, that is VAPT, which is focused on identifying the cyber security vulnerabilities existing at that organization, submission of reports, and eventually proposing a suitable solution to rectify the same. Nextly, the sales of cyber security solutions. We provide firewalls, UTM, that is Unified Threat Management, antivirus, and so on. So for any organization, regardless of size and infrastructure, a proper network security solution has to be in place. We can help you with the latest type of security solutions and the maintenance of the same. Surveillance solutions. CCTV cameras, biometric access control, attendance machines, etc. are included in the sales of this category. Then we have data center and cloud solutions as well. Now, if you are wondering what sort of clients would actually need these services, here is our answer. Clients across all verticals would have requirements for the above mentioned services, be it education, healthcare, financial institutions, hospitality sector, government organizations, etc., just to name a few. You can always approach us for requirements and queries for the above mentioned services, and our contact details have been mentioned below. We can provide you the best possible solutions at exclusive prices because we are the partners of several major OEMs, in other words, original equipment manufacturers. For example, we are the gold partners of Surface, the cyber security solutions provider. Then we are the silver partners of the very famous HP, Hewlett Packard, which has two wings, HPE that deals with the networking solutions and HPI that deals with personal systems and enterprise solutions. Then we are the silver competency partners of Microsoft, and the list goes on. So whatever be your requirement, we can provide it at attractive prices. If you have any comments or queries regarding any of the topics that I've covered today, please mention that in the comment box and we shall revert as early as possible. If you have liked this video, definitely like and support us, and if you subscribe this channel and click the bell icon next to it, you shall be notified of our upcoming videos promptly. So friends, thank you for watching. Goodbye.